Thank you, Karine. Would President Biden ever try to get out of a meeting by pulling a fire alarm?
Are you talking about something specifically?
A Democratic member of Congress.
You think this is some joke, huh? I know you know. All right?
Pulled a fire alarm around a series of votes. No fire. Is that appropriate?
What I can tell you is I've not spoken to the president about this. And so just not going to comment. I would leave it up to, I know there's a House process moving forward right now. I'll leave it to the House.
Are you sure you want to do this? I know people do it in movies all the time, but there are bound to be real-world consequences.
It's a damn shame what the world's gotten to.